Hey, what's going on, guys? Joseph Mills from AutoMeter. Guys, I want to show you something seriously cool here. GPS speedometers, all integrated, the easiest possible solution for adding a speedometer to your vehicle. Gone are the days of doing math and trying to figure out what gears you need and how the cable syncs up. Gone are the days of even having to hit a button and drive 2 miles to calibrate that unit. With the AutoMeter GPS speedometers, quite literally, you give it power, you give it ground, and it just works. It includes a small, lightning-fast micro antenna. If you didn't know this was a GPS unit and you saw it working in a vehicle, you'd have zero indication. Fantastic performance, very smooth, very responsive, and again, absolutely the easiest possible way to install a speedometer in your vehicle. Guys, if you want a top quality AutoMeter speedometer without any of the hassles of calibration, this is the way to go. Check out the AutoMeter GPS speedometers, available in just about every line of gauges we make.